going through 50 challenging problems in probability. This is problem number 8, called the perfect bridge hand. We often read of someone who has been dealt 13 spades at bridge. With the well-shuffled pack of cards, what is the chance that you're dealt a perfect hand, which is 13 of one suit, and then it gives us information on how bridge is played. This problem is pretty simple, so I'm going to show you 2 ways that you could go about it. The first way is like the simple, more intuitive way. Here you can kind of just imagine that you're drawing 13 cards without replacement. And I have the denominator set up where, starting with 52 cards, after each draw, it decreases by 1 because we don't replace. We can multiply these probabilities together to get our probability of getting 13 of one suit. On our first draw, we can really pick any card. So 52 out of 52. And then after we selected that first draw, we have to stay within that suit. So there are 12 cards left for us to choose from. And then after that, there's 11, 10, and then all the way down. And then these fractions multiplied together will give us our total probability. So that was the first way I wanted to show you. The second approach that you can do is more of a hypergeometric approach. So we start with our denominator, which is the total ways that we can choose 13 cards from a deck of 52. And then we need to find the number of different ways we could pick a suit. So that'd be 4 choose 1 because there's 4 suits. And then we multiply that probability by 13 choose 13 because from the next 13 cards, we have to pick 13 of that suit. And then this will give us the same answer as the previous method. So these are 2 valid ways to approach this problem. Thank you.